just started using the virtual reality goggles. It's been a great tool, great system to train with.
Better call the adjuster.
It was really cool, very realistic. I felt like I was actually on a roof.
That's really cool.
Of course, everybody knows about SVG University. We use that regularly, and recently we started implementing the goggles, which is pretty cool.
Visual goggles to be the training module, that just takes it to a whole nother level. It's hands down the best system I've seen on the market.
Just want to give you a little nugget here. If you don't know about it, you need to know about it. The virtual goggles. Strategic partnerships are aligned with the virtual reality goggles. Put your course in these VR goggles and scale with speed.